Hello, we are going to read The Big Sneeze, written by Ruth Brown. If you have a copy at home, grab it and let's read together. One hot afternoon, the farmer and his animals were dozing in the barn. The only sound was the buzz of a lazy fly. Have you seen it? The lazy fly. Suddenly, the buzzing stopped. The fly had landed right on the end of the farmer's nose. Achoo! The farmer sneezed so hard that the fly was blown high up into a spider's web. Here is the fly, the spider's web. This disturbed the spider, who captured the fly. The spider got him. Who fled from the barn, chased by the dog. Woof, 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 woof. The dog is chasing him. Which scattered the startled hens from their roast. The hens, they are startled. And panicked the terrified donkey. Nay, nay. What on earth have you done? Shrieked the farmer's wife. Nothing, my dear, replied the farmer. I only sneezed. Look at him. The end.